This is Victoria Wynn of Wynn Modern Art. This is just Floetrol right here that I'm adding this to some ivory acrylic paint. What I want to show you right now is how to use the Ballet Pink Luxe metallic powder. So today I'm feeling feminine, soft. So with this feminine piece, I thought Ballet Pink, this like soft, really pretty shade of pink would be perfect. So all that I have, acrylic paint, pouring medium, and Ballet Pink. And I just stir it right in. Check consistency, and that looks great still, like it's pourable. So what it's doing is it's giving the ivory that's kind of plain and dull some shimmer, like a crystalline opalescence. And then what I'll do with this piece is I'll pour some of the Ballet Pink on top as well to bring the actual color. So this is a little sneaky trick to get lots of life out of just your common, off-white color. And again, I'm Victoria Wynn, and that is Ballet Pink, a metallic powder.